So welcome back again, guys. So here is this wonderful, and if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more future updates. So in this short tutorial, I want us to look at how to import and export Sockshttp VPN files. Okay, so I already have a tutorial on how to create the file, which is Sockshttp file. Okay, so if you have not yet watched it, kindly go to my channel or go to YouTube and search for this one info. Scroll to so you can get it over here. A tutorial on how to create the Sockshttp VPN file. Okay, there is how to create it, and there are other related videos or tutorials on VPNs. Okay, so let's go straight into our main lesson. Okay, so let's open the Sockshttp. This is a Sockshttp, so you can watch the tutorial on how to create the file. After that, you come and watch how to import and export it. So this tutorial is actually for how to import and export the file. So after you creating the file, here you have the payload and the proxy. Okay, after creating the file, you want to maybe share it with some people. You come and click on this paper, click on it, then you choose export configuration. Okay, then here you come and type in the name you want to give the file. So let's say if you want to give it dz1 info, okay, you type it there. Then if you want to lock it too, you check this button. Okay, so let's check it. Then if you want to block rooted devices, you can check this one too. Okay, and if you want to hide server message, you can do that. And here is the welcome message, like messages that you want to deliver to the users. You can type it there. Okay, you can type it in here. Whatever you want to tell the users of the file, you can type it there, so that whenever they view the file or they import the file, they will see the message. So after doing all this, you come and click on the save button. Okay, so let's click on it. The moment you click on it, it will save automatically. You see, configuration exported. Good. And now if you want to import it too, maybe you have it on your phone, you want to import it, so you can click on the same button. Okay, click on it, then you go to import configuration. So where you have saved the file, the particular folder that you have saved the file, so the particular folder that you saved the file, you come and click on this an extension. Click on it, it will open all the folders in the file in your phone storage. So you come and look for it. So normally the file is normally stored in the installation folder of that particular app. Okay, so we are dealing with the Sockshttp, so you come and open this one, click on it. So you go through, or here you just tap on the particular file that you want to import. If it is this one, you just click on it. Okay, yes, it will import automatically. Okay, so this is how to go about it. It's very simple. Okay, so if you want to learn to create your own file, you can watch the first tutorial. It will guide you on how to create it, and after creating the file, you want to learn how to import and export, then this particular video is for you. Thank you. So you can hit the subscribe button and turn notification for more future updates like this. Thank you very much.